If you use Chrome browser, then you would agree that Chrome heavily consumes CPU and RAM. It eventually makes the browser as well as the computer slower and can also lead to freezing, crashing, and increasing battery drainage of your computer. But don't need to worry. In this video, we will tell you some of the fixes to prevent your browser from consuming so much RAM on your computer. Close unused tabs. If any of the tabs are open that you are no longer using, there might be a high chance that it is going to use a good chunk of your RAM. If you open the task manager of your browser, you can see which websites and tabs consume the most resources. So to recover from this issue, you can try to close any of these unused tabs and check if the RAM usage comes down. Remove or disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions may increase memory use of the browser significantly. You may not want to disable certain extensions even if they use a lot of memory, but some extensions are not needed all the time. Open Google Chrome browser, click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Click on More Tools and choose Extensions. This will open up a list of extensions your browser has access to. You can remove the ones that are not necessary or disable all of them by clicking on the Disable slider. Enable hardware acceleration. If you have a dedicated graphics card installed in your computer, this is separate from Intel's integrated graphics. You can use hardware acceleration to shift the processing load onto your dedicated GPU. Open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Click on Settings in the context menu. Scroll down and click on Advanced Settings to open up more options. Scroll until you see a section called System. Toggle on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Now restart your browser. Extensions to reduce RAM usage. There are many extensions that can optimize the performance of the browser and reduce the amount of RAM it consumes. It's very important that when installing extensions, you look at the extension's rating and reviews first to make sure that it is reputable. Using a significant tool like Stop All Ads helps you to avoid seeing irrelevant and unwanted ads content that keep popping up while you surf the net. And by removing ads, you can speed up the browser in most cases. You may have to experiment with which ones work best for you because there are plenty to choose from. Update Chrome browser. In order to enjoy the best Chrome performance levels, it is important to update your browser to the latest version. Chrome browser will auto-update when you connect to the internet. However, if you have a problem in updating, then you can manually update. Go to the Chrome customization menu at the upper right-hand corner of the browser window and click on the Help option. Choose About Google Chrome to check for updates. Chrome will automatically search for new updates and install them. And that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.